National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Kenton County, northern Campbell County, eastern Hamilton County, eastern Butler County, northern Clermont County, northwestern Brown County, Warren County, Clinton County, northwestern Highland County in south-central Ohio, until 8 p.m. At 7:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Middletown to Burlington, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Middletown, Fairfield, Covington, Mason, Lebanon, Norwood, Forest Park, Springboro, Fort Thomas, Newport, Sharonville, Wilmington, Monroe, Blue Ash, Loveland, Franklin, Springdale, Reading, and Montgomery. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Ohio between mile marker 0 and 57. I-74 in Ohio near mile marker 19. I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 187 and 191. I-75 in Ohio between mile marker 0 and 40. The National Weather